Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial. I'm Kuya Clint, where I teach you guys how to play songs easily and in detail. So for today, given that Christmas is coming up, I decided to teach this song to you guys, which is going to be this one right here. It's going to be called Last Christmas by Wham. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. So when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, we're only going to be using 4 chords, which are going to be these ones right here. Namely, these are going to be the D major chord, which is going to be like this, B minor chord, A minor chord, and the A major chord. There's really only going to be one difficult chord to play, especially if you're a beginner, which is going to be the B minor chord, such as this one right here. Now for this one, we use our index finger to bar the 2nd fret from the A string down to the high E string. And we're not going to be letting this lower E string to ring out. We're going to be doing that by just extending our index finger to create that dead sound right here. And as for the rest of the chord shape, that's going to be a dead string, 2, 4, 4, 3, then 2. And as for the rest of the chords, that's going to be the D major chord. It's going to be dead string. We're using our thumb to create the dead sounds for these 2 strings by just letting them rest there, not pressing on it. It's going to be open string, 2, 3, 2. Next up is going to be the E minor chord. That's going to be open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So you could play it like this, or like this, even like this. Doesn't really matter. It depends on your preference when it comes to playing chords. And lastly, it's going to be the A major chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be a dead string on the lower E string again. It's going to be open, 2, 2, 2, then open. Yep, so all in all, we have the D major chord, B minor chord, E minor chord, and the A major chord. And as for the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's fairly easy. It's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Yep, down, down, up, up, down, up. So if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums, and this part of your thumb for the up strums. Yep, once again, down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that. So you're just going to be doing downward motions for the down strums and upward motions for the up strums. And when it comes to holding a pick, make sure that the thumb is perpendicular with your pick like so. And you're going to be pinching it with your index finger like this. And you're just going to be showing just the tip right there. That's going to be what you're using. Yep. So make sure that your arm and your wrist as well is not too loose and not too tight, along with your grip, to be comfortable when it comes to playing or strumming a song in your guitar. And with that said, that entire strumming pattern will be worked for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, and as for the chord progression for the entirety of the song, it's going to be this one right here. So once again, D major chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our strumming pattern twice for all of these chords. It's going to be this one right here. B minor, then the A major chord, yep, then you just sing along basically. It's like, last Christmas I gave you my heart, the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'm sure to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other videos, just click these ones right here. It's all good. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.